Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, it's cool spot right here, and basically what this is a SwitchBot tag or SwitchBot NFC tag. So basically what this is a little tag that you can put anywhere you want to turn off or on your devices after you guys tag on the SwitchBot app. So for example, I've actually tagged the NFC on this tag right here onto my SwitchBot bot pusher. Each time I tag the product, actually will turn off and on the light. So for this product, you can actually use it for almost any kind of SwitchBot products, and you guys also use it for any other product that supports the SwitchBot app as well. So maybe like your air conditioner, your fan, or even like your infrared remote. You can definitely do all of that on here. As long as you connect it onto like a hub mini like this one right here, then you should be fine. But I'm actually take this out first to show you guys what is actually included inside before I actually test it out. So first thing inside, they provide you guys 6 of these little stickers that you can use to tape the product onto somewhere you guys want to. And then right here, we got 3 of these tags that's included. So you can definitely use it for 3 different devices. So this is basically what it looks like in the front. And here's what it looks like in the back right here. So it definitely has the 3M tape in the back where you can stick it on anywhere you want to. Or if you guys don't want to stick it on anywhere, you don't have to. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let me show you guys how to connect the device and how to use it. So all you guys need to do is to actually set up like your SwitchBot devices first. So in this case, I'm going to be using the SwitchBot bot, the little button pusher. And I already have it all set up on the app, so let me show you guys how to use it. Alright, so right here we have the app. So you guys want to go to the bottom right here where it says NFC and click on that. And you can select what you guys want to use. So you guys want to use it for on, off, or on and off. You just want to press it one time, and actually got to place the phone near the NFC tag. So I got the little tag right here, so I just put it back right here, and then we're all set. So now we can start using that NFC tag to actually use it to turn off and on the light. So I'm actually bringing it over to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so we have a button pusher all set right here, and we got the little tag right here. So all I need to do is go like this, and it turns on. If I do it again, it turns it off. So that's actually really cool. So all you need to do is just stick this anywhere or just hold it into your pocket and just tag it to open and close it if you set the open and close option. If you guys set it to only on or only off, you can definitely do that on the app as well. But see, the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys will quick test of the product. You can definitely see that it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use. I actually really like this product a lot because you guys can basically control the actual light or your device anywhere you guys want to, whether it be in your living room, your bedroom, or somewhere else. You guys can just basically tag this product right here and it's all set. It literally makes it so much easier for you guys to turn off or on the actual product, whether it be your light, your air conditioner, or whatever you guys want to tag on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make your life a lot easier in terms of turning on or turning off your product, so you don't have to walk over to actually turn it off or on. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.